Hello everybody, Gliderman here. So we're back today, and today we're looking at while loops. So basically what they do is they check to see something is true, similar to how the if statement works. However, they work while, hence the name, that is true, and as soon as that's not true, then they exit out. So instead of writing some new code, we're just going to use our previous example from a past episode, I believe episode 10, here. So, we use while, and you can see it does the syntax highlighting there. And then, just like the if statement, it has these parentheses that enclose something to compute inside them. And then over here, we've got an open brace, and then down here, a corresponding closed brace. So, what it does is, every time it gets up here to this beginning part, which is here, it computes everything inside these parentheses. The not symbol here, which is just shift and then 1, is the exclamation mark, and that's used as the not to basically invert the Boolean statement. So if it was true, now it's false, and if it was false, now it's true. So with our Boolean up here, guessed correctly being assigned false, this not flips the false, that is the guessed correctly, into true. And so while this equals to be true, it will do this, it'll do the guessing and then computing, and if it cycles through here and gets to this line here, which says guessed correctly is assigned true, and then that basically says, okay, now the next time that this checks it, because true inverted is false, the while loop will not compute anything else. And we'll get to this statement right here, this break, in just a moment. So basically this says here that this is, once this is assigned, and we go back up here, we hit this, we pop back up, and then we compute it. It's not a continuously computed value, only at the beginning or here. There is a different form, which is called a do while, and I'll just do a quick little write of that. Do, and then we do an open brace, and then a while here, like that, and I'm just going to put true in it for now. So basically this would say, do this, and then it will check the while. And that's how you can do a little bit of cleaner code, depending on what your while loop needs are. If you wanted to always do something first, and then it will check, instead of checking and then doing something. So this break statement up here simply says, okay, break out of this loop. And so it will go back feeding through, and until it hits this while loop, it will say, okay, I know I need to break out of these braces here. And so then we'll skip down here and do whatever lines of code go down here, which in our case is probably an end thing, and the end of our program. So, thanks very much for watching, and that was a brief overview of the while loop. See you next time. Bye!